Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a Sketchup Guru channel, and this tutorial we are going to discuss a new tool added in a Sketchup 2023 that is called a flip tool guys. Okay, so this flip tool will help you to invert your object, reorient your object and mirror your object. So that was mirror option was not in a previous Sketchup version. Now you can mirror your object directly by this native tool. Okay, so this is the new tool. So how it works, just first you have to select the object and then click over here. After clicking you can show there are three kind of axes are showing here: blue one, red one and a green one. So if you want to flip this tool from this reference point, just single click over here to flip it. Same thing will work with green plane. Okay, just single click to flip it. Okay, same thing will work with a red one, so just single click to flip it. But so there are another shortcut to flip your object is just use the arrow key, just right arrow key to flip in a red axis, left arrow key to flip in a green axis, and then upper arrow key to flip in a blue axis. So now here if you want to mirror this object, how it will work, first you have to click here and hold the mouse button and then press Ctrl. Okay, and then release your mouse button, it will be mirrored like that. Okay, so this is your reference point that will mirror your object. Okay, this is your plane and it will work like that. So suppose you want a mirror of this object in a green one, so just again click over the green plane and then press Ctrl button and then move it. If you want the reference point over here at this distance of any given distance. Okay, so just move here and then release your smart button to mirror it. Okay, and same thing will work with this like that. So if you want to flip it, just click here to flip it, and with control it will be mirrored, and without control it will be flipped. Okay, so this is the new feature that is added in a SketchUp 2023. So guys, if you really like my video, please subscribe and share in our SketchUp user groups, and see you in the next tutorial guys. Thank you.